The new Tesla phone will destroy Apple and Samsung with this new feature. Elon Musk is a man filled with great ideas, and whenever he steps in a business, he shakes things up. That is the plan for his foray diving into the phone industry. Imagine you had a long day at work and your phone is about to die and you need to make an urgent call to your significant other. And just as you dial their number, your phone dies. Well, you will never have that problem with the new Tesla phone, because it never runs out of battery. Elon Musk is creating the Tesla phone to compete with the big dogs. Every time this guy steps into an industry, he completely crushes it. And this one won't be the exception. So, what amazing features does this phone have, and when is the release date? Let's find out. One thing we know about Elon Musk's Tesla inventions is that they make people happy. Yup, Tesla's cars are incredible, and everyone loves them due to the fact that they are eco-friendly. But these cars are not just based on people's morals. Teslas are proven to be fun and exciting as well. They are without a doubt top-notch with their constant changing features and their stunning exteriors, not to mention their constant updates. Elon Musk will deliver the same energy with their newly announced phone. Apple and Samsung are the big boys when it comes to phones, but these companies simply aren't innovating enough. Samsung is constantly creating new models, while the difference in the last few iPhones hasn't really changed that much. Elon Musk wants to shake the whole industry, and they are taking their time for their first big hit. Elon Musk's main reason as to creating a phone is to excite people with something different. Some of the rumored features are true. In September of 2021, there were rumors that Tesla was working in hand with a couple of companies to create a stunning phone. But they are no longer rumors, and Tesla has now confirmed it. They will launch the Tesla phone in 2022 or 2023. By calling it the Tesla phone, you would expect it to come packed with the latest technology and features that will allow you to control your Tesla car, meaning a handheld Tesla, and that's exactly what they want you to expect. The phone is packed with interesting features, but will they outstand the competition? Well, let's find out. Just like the Tesla cars, the Tesla phones will be packed with cutting-edge technology. The Tesla phone is special due to the fact that it will enable SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet. This implies that it will be able to download and stream videos from web servers at high speed. This could be the official phone of Elon Musk's Mars colony if it's compatible with Starlink. If you read Starlink's terms of service, you will find out that it mentions its operation on Mars, which implies that Elon Musk could use Starlink to keep in contact with the Earth. The Tesla phone will be an excellent communication device for people living on Mars since it is natively Starlink compatible. Plus, according to SpaceX documents, Starlink could offer built-in phone services including outstanding features, such as 4 camera lenses on the back of the phone, not to mention that the camera will be able to capture stunning photos in various conditions, even if there isn't any light. The Tesla phone will also have a facial identification system, apart from the mentioned capabilities. The Tesla Pi will also be compatible with Neurolink. The phone will also keep up with all of the new features and constant updates that Tesla constantly delivers. And it will be compatible with the company's advanced technology and other Tesla products such as the Model Y and home battery energy storage systems that could sync with the Tesla phone. Although Neuralink has not been able to get to the point where it can be used commercially or in handheld phones, we believe that using Neuralink's extensive research, the Tesla phone will come with a couple of unique apps that will aid in the use of assistive devices or some other interesting function. With the Tesla Pi phone, you will be able to drive your car and charge with the electric wall due to the way it will be used. But with great power comes great responsibility. Therefore, Elon Musk will make sure to make the device as secure and safe as possible. We assume that Tesla will use some kind of biometrics, for instance. The company could, in theory, use part of its development on the smart cameras used for Tesla's self-driving cars and create a facial identification system. Apart from the mentioned capabilities, Tesla's smartphones will include the concept of an ultrasonic fingerprint reader placed on the top of the touchscreen, a design that will be dust and water resistant. But will Tesla be able to compete with Apple and Samsung in the smartphone market? Especially when the road to smartphone dominance is littered with such companies that failed in the past, such as Nokia, BlackBerry, and even Microsoft. Talking about design, the Pi model has a solar charging option. If your cell phone runs out of battery, all you must do is expose it to the sun and boom, it will start charging. But this does mean you will have to remove the case every time you charge it using your solar charging option. The rounded corners of the Pi model have a shiny silver tone. In addition to the gorgeous colors, the Tesla varies greatly from Apple smartphones in terms of design. Tesla phones will include a unique coating that will allow the device to change color, thanks to a photochromic coating that glows with various pigments when hit by sunlight. Without a doubt, these features have us all excited. What are your thoughts on it? With nothing more to add, I'll see you in our next video.